They say that traveling leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller. With our next stop, you will surely brag about the story you will learn. A little shorter but more challenging walk through the woods. A sight to behold awaits you. This is Kusinero Falls. Reaching this spectacle isn't as hard as you think. 10 minutes travel from the town proper. For 120 pesos tricycle rental, you will get to drop-off point at Barangay Kawayan. In just 5 to 10 minute walk, you'll be setting foot on a haven of vision.
Buwan-buwan sir, nagkakaroon po kami dito ng clean-up drive po, na kung saan pupunta po kami dito para maglinis po. Upang mapanatili natin ang kalinisan sir at maipakita sa mga tao na malinis at magandang puntahan po itong aming Kusinero Falls po. Bago po sila pumunta dito, pumunta na lang po muna sila sa aming TO office which is located po sa munisipyo. Then pwede po silang humingi ng advice sa amin kung paano po pumunta dito. Ang future plans po dito ay una po yung pag-ayos po ng daan para maging mas accessible po sa mga tao na pupunta, hindi po sila mahirapang makapunta dito. Ang mga advice ko na lang po sa mga locals na pupunta dito kung ano po yung dinala nila, iuwi na lang po nila. Usually po yung mga basura, ganun po. Para ma-maintain po natin yung kalinisan.
It was a really short journey coming here, way shorter than our last falls trip, but it was way more challenging, but the challenge was definitely worth it. Overall, adventure coming here, and then the overall outcome and the reason why we came here is what made it all so magical. Every attraction has its own story, and Kusinero Falls holds one for the books.
Hapon, nang panagan dito yung Kusinero. Sumut baga lalakay sir, sumut kanot nagidi hapon kanot muna nga taon may sumut bagada nga nagkampon dadto. Naglulutuan na kita itid nga makan, hindi. Siyempre, sudat tagaluto. Ito nga di partit, nagkapunta ka lang.
One can never get enough of the wonders that Sual offers. So, if you're planning on wandering around our town, Kusinero Falls is a must on your bucket list.